Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. If you're new here, I post videos every week. Today I'm going to show you how I get my indoor Instagram photos. If you want to see how I got these, then just keep watching. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I'll have that link down below, and let's get into it. Usually when I shoot my photos at home, I don't usually like to use like a digital camera or anything too fancy. I don't really want it to be too high quality just because, I don't know, that's just not the vibe I'm going for when I'm posting on Instagram. I kind of want it to look more natural, like I took it. Use my phone, so I'll use just the regular photo, and then I have this little remote that I got off of Amazon. It actually came with my ring light I have. I'll show you that in a second. It just snaps it for me. But mostly I like to use video. I know lots of people may not like recommend that, so I'll record myself like moving and stuff. The thing I did to my phone was I made the quality go up. So on my camera I put my video record to 4K at 30 FPS. That's how I take my photos. I just think the quality looks way better than using like my camera. So before I show you my setup, I'm gonna go ahead and try on this Aritzia dress. I've had this for a while. Then I have these shoes I'm gonna use as a prop so the photo doesn't look too boring, and I'm also gonna put them on, and I think it's just really cute. I'm going for like a really simple look for this. My dress on, I'm gonna go ahead and set up. This setup is very affordable since most of the stuff I found around the house. I have this big white sheet that basically just goes on a bed. I have this room divider that I'm using as my thing to stand it up. So I'm just gonna drape it over.
You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
I'm gonna put on the screen some of my favorites that I took from the first shoot. I have two favorites I really liked. I already edited them, and I'll put them on the side screen so you can see them better. I took a ton of photos, as you can tell. There's so many. So I decided to go for the one where I'm like sitting down with my legs up and my hand on my head. I just think it looks more like cute and kind of like chic and effortless. And then I put my shoes next to me just to give it a little something, so I'm just not sitting on like a plain sheet, not doing anything. So for the second photo, I decided to go with the one where I'm still crossing my legs, but I have my shoes on, just to like show what the shoes look like. I really wanted to tag the brand since they sent me the shoes. I wanted to show them off. And I just had my cute little dress. And also, it was a really tricky to like cross my legs that way because I didn't want to like show my underwear. So that was a little bit difficult. I probably should have worn black underwear, but I wasn't. So I had to like cross my legs a certain way, and some shots I was just like, I like the way they came out. It's very like natural, not really a studio finish, so it didn't look too perfect, but I think I might want to go for more of a studio finish next time. So I might do another video if you like this one of how to shoot professional photos at home. This one's more like just for Instagram, nothing too crazy. So usually when I'm doing indoor photos, I like to find my inspiration. So I'll actually look at other Instagram bloggers that I like, and I'll get some inspiration from them. And I have a bunch of like inspiration photos. So the ones that I'm doing today I got from a blogger named Disco Daydream, and this is her photo. I'll put it on the side so you can see it better, but she's just posing in front of like a sheet like mine, and she just has like a bunch of other sheets on the below that are just kind of like laying there. and I really wanted it to be more like natural like that, because she didn't really put any much effort into that. And then she has this other one. Not really trying to go for that, but I just loved it, so maybe in the future I might recreate this one. Usually when I'm doing indoor photos, I like to find my inspiration. So I'll actually look at other Instagram bloggers that I like. I have a bunch of like inspiration photos. Moving on to the second look, I'm gonna only bring my ring light over to my bed. This idea from Disco Daydream again. I'm loving her for like inspiration right now. I just love her aesthetic. So I'm gonna try to recreate something similar to this.
Butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fight. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fight. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies.
So for my second photo, I was doing the one on the bed. They came out better than I expected. And this one right here, I'm doing like a half shot of just my body and the outfit I'm wearing, which is a top from REMI, and my jeans are a Goldie. Just something super simple. I put the picture right there. I need to edit this one. And I went with the second one. I usually pick two of my favorite. The second one I already did an edit on it. I just lowered the brightness. So for this one, I just lowered the brightness. I think I'm gonna up the white on my pants. I think it looks a little bit too yellow. So I'm probably gonna fix that. And I'll show you the final finish right here once I'm done finishing all my editing. But yeah, this is super cute and I really like the way it looks. Like I'm kind of just sitting on the bed and it looks really relaxed and effortless. I really like that kind of look. I also put it in black and white. I really like that as well. So much black and white on my feed. I feel like I should do a video on how I edit my photos, as well as like trying to organize a feed and make an aesthetic. I'm really happy with the way my Instagram looks right now. So for these photos, I did use the video and not camera. I just think it comes out a lot better and it doesn't feel too staged. So that's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed these looks and maybe you'll recreate them at home. And if you did like this, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos. I post new ones every week, and I'll see you next one. Bye guys.
I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up in paradise, yeah. Without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fight. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fight. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Yeah. you, I'll